Let's go.
Baby, so welcome back to my channel. Hopefully I don't have to use my box lights. I'm using natural lighting because it's just, you know, the sun wants to shine, then one minute she wants to be shady. So we're gonna try to work with what we got and see where we go from there. So yeah, it's gonna be another wig review. So hopefully you guys have seen my videos before. I did do a Kylie Jenner cinnamon roll waffle video. Now that was interesting because I was like, sis, why you holding all the tea for us mothers who got kids and making it easy? All right, so yeah, so this is going to be a wig review and it's going to be on the Perfect Hairline Wig. This is the fully hand tied by OUTRE, and of course it's the Crush. It's not the Lana or the Karina. This is Crush. So there's Lana, and then there's Crush, and then there's Karina. Karina is my favorite. Now, when I went to try and go get the other one, Karina in the burgundy color, she is still sold out. So she's a bomb wig to just be bought because she's, you know, very versatile. So I made sure I went and got Crush. And then the next on the list is Lana. I'm coming for you, Lana. So yeah, let's get into it. Now, you already know the deets. I got it in a S1B30, which means it's a black with brown chocolate highlights. You guys, like I said, y'all know the deal. I'm gonna take her out, and she's this kind of like this body wave wig. Of course, she come with her stock cards. Let me cut them off. Yeah, I'm excited. Y'all know I be excited anytime I get a perfect hairline wig, okay? So, take the netting off and all this extra rigmarole. Okay. Ooh, so she come with some curly baby hairs. Okay, she reminds me of some body wave bundles. So she feels nice. Yeah, so I'm ready to put her on. So what I'm going to do is pay no mind to my lips. I tried to fix my lips 100 times. I don't know if I got it right. If not, y'all bear with me. Of course, she comes with the 4x4 crown lace, and then she has two combs in the front, one in the nape with adjustable straps. She is about 3 inches of lace that needs to be cut off, and we're gonna do that right now, and I'm gonna come back with y'all. Okay, so I'm back. The lace is cut off. Of course, you guys know that I don't cut all of it off because I need to make sure that I have enough, as I say 100,000 times over, room to play with it. So let's go ahead and put her on. These are still my favorite wigs, yeah. Like, she's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. She's gorgeous. Like, come on. She is gorgeous. Y'all know my widow's peak comes shining through all the wigs. All right. Baby. She's a dream come true. I mean, look at this. I don't even have to take a comb and part her. She's just amazeballs straight out of the package. Okay, so she's a lightweight wig, just like Karina, but she still has body and bounce. So she's a hair density of probably, I give her, say, 120, 125, somewhere between there, which is a very natural light density. So I love that. Not only that, baby, look at this parting. Now, I use black stocking caps because I have not gotten myself down packed with the brown and doing the method, the foundation method yet, but I am working on that. So as soon as I get that down packed, baby, she really gonna be shopping. Okay, so I love that she's about 28 inches all the way pulled to the front. She's about 28 inches of hair. Now, with this wig, you are going to get a lot of snags because she is a longer wig. She's not like Karina where she's like right here and she don't get as many snags. But further down the lifeline, she is going to snag because Karina lasts Karina's still lasting me with care, but after the first 2 weeks, Karina did start to get a little nappy. So make sure that you are taking care of her. Now I was taking care of her, but just make sure you're really taking care of your wigs. So I love this wig. Oh, ooh. Wait a minute now. Wait a minute now. Y'all still, they never cease to amaze me. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm down for the cause. I am down. Yes. Okay. I'm so over this love I have for these wigs. So I'm going to try to put her up in a really cute updo. Oh, so pretty. I am still amazed by these wigs, honey. I am forever amazed by these wigs. I mean, come on. Give me my life. Perfect Hairline Ultra. Look at her. She is phenomenal. So this wig comes with, like I said, she comes with baby hairs that look like cinnamon rolls. And not only that, she is about 38 inches of hair. The density is about 120 to 125. When you finger comb her out, the volume may get a little bit bigger. So that's for your liking and mine as well. I love that she's a body wave Brazilian type of dupe look. Not only that, pay attention to the hairline. It is very like melting into my skin. You can barely tell that I have a wig on. She is all around beautiful. She is versatile. You can do so much with her. So please believe that this updo or braids or any other hairstyle, she is just like Karina. And then I heard about Lana. And then this is Crush. So Crush comes in 12 other colors, I do believe. I think she does. Yes, she comes in 12 other colors, ranging from 1 to all the way to this blonde color. And I tried to go back and get the burgundy one. It was sold out yet again. So y'all must really love my review, because every time I try to go get her, she's sold out. This one is sold out now. It took me high and low to find this one, the one I got on my head, which is an S1B30. So what that is a black with these brown beautiful highlights, which I love anyway. So anytime I buy a wig and y'all see that I get a black and a mixture of 1B30, it's gonna be with the highlights because they look so natural. This wig looked like a really bomb, like duped out human hair wig closure, because you can barely, it's like melting in my skin. You can barely tell I have on a wig. Not only that, she's just, this line, OUTRE Perfect Hairline, this line is amazeballs. Now, what I need y'all to do is kind of up the quality a little bit more. If you up that volume a little bit more, where she can last a little bit longer, baby, y'all have a partner for life. Well, y'all already got a partner for life, because this that wig I go to when I want to look bomb on many occasions on a budget. I can just, you know, go get one of these. So I'm not downplaying human hair wigs, because your sister loves some human hair wigs. I got a couple, okay? But I love these wigs, baby. When I say Karina was my #1 baby. She's still my #1 baby. But when I want to have them body wave curls and I'm gonna look like I'm on a beach somewhere, she's that chick. So I'm just telling y'all, for $50, because she does range from $50 to $40. On some sites, she's about $40. If you get a discounted coupon, it's about $30. But shipping is still going to be about $8, depending on the website. Maybe between $4 or $8 or $11. The last one I seen was $11, which is the reason why this one totaled for $56 and some change. But that's not bad, and I don't mind it because of the quality. But back to what I was saying, if you got up the volume of the quality on this wig, whereas Karina almost lasted me 2 weeks, and this was with maintaining. Now these are high maintenance wigs. The Perfect OUTRE hairline wigs are high maintenance wigs, so be prepared to be putting in more effort to make sure that these wigs last. And please, like I said, please put your wigs up high so that they do last. Make sure you brush them out when you're done and then you're taking them off. Now with this wig, she's going to have a lot of napes because she's longer. She's inches of hair. If I can, like from my boob and everything. So she is a longer wig, which is going to maintain naps. So make sure that you either have a wide tooth comb or a wig brush with you wherever you go. I know that's annoying, but if you want to maintain the life on this, because it does not last that long without it, you might want to carry it with you. I know that's the only con I got about this wig, the only one. But baby, if you heighten up the quality on her, you got a forever friend. You already got a forever friend, but you're gonna have an even more forever friend. I love this wig because this is versatile. This is an everyday, no matter what color you get it in. Besides the blonde, this could be an everyday wig. She could be that, you know, I want to be the knight on the town. I want to be booed up. I want him to run his fingers through my hair and not get caught for the first few days. This is this is their wig, and I love the highlights. I love the natural look that it's giving. I love that it's not too shiny, but you know, just light enough where it looks very, you know, neutral and natural. I love the vibe she's giving. She is having, you know, realness. You can glue her down. I am not gluing her down right now. I don't glue my wigs down that much unless I'm doing a wig that requires me doing clothing hauls, and I don't want it to fly back because it's happened before. Luckily y'all ain't catch it, but it does have baby hairs, like I say 100 times over, but they look like cinnamon rolls. They are very long and they're curly. I am not using them. What I'm doing is the like brush out method with the baby hairs, where it lays to the side and it looks like this. You know, that's much more natural to me, other than taking my got to be glue gel and doing all that other shenanigans. It don't look natural. So this is the bomb wig that I will go to 24/7 when I just need something really cute for an event, or if I want to just look cute in general in some nice cute pictures, which I'm gonna take today because Crush. This is Crush. There's Lana, Karina, and then Crush. Crush is giving me life. So if you don't know how to maintain your wigs, the proper care is always on the back of your care cards and the box. So other than that, I can also give you a video that I said I was going to give you like back in 2016 that I still need to give you. But I am going to give you on how to maintain your wigs, where it's not going to be back to where it, you know, was in the beginning, but where it needs to be now. So it can still be, you know, wearable, because you don't want to buy, you know, spend your coins and nothing is just wearable anymore after only a few weeks. But the quality is good. Like I can run my fingers through it right now with no snags, no tangles or anything of that nature, but I do know shortly down the road it will get that way. But that's to be expected with longer wigs, especially in the nape area. But one thing I noticed about these perfect hairline wigs is they don't get nappy in the nape. It's more so down here. So I never understood that. Maybe it's because of the, you know, the smaller strands, maybe, but never understood that. So other than that, as y'all can see, you can do many hairstyles, and I've named them before. And she's just beautiful. She's beautiful all around. So y'all got a forever customer, because baby, these wigs are bomb. Let's take it from, you know, semi amazing to all the way amazing. Let's make it to semi quality. Let's take it from semi quality to all the way high quality. You know, I know there's some synthetic fibers out there that's high quality, because trust, I've had some wigs that are high quality synthetic wigs. Now if the perfect hairline and OUTRE can get that down pat, y'all will have more love from, you know, women like me who loves the perfect hairline look on a synthetic wig. Y'all will get more love, but y'all already getting more love because these wigs were sold out. They're always sold out. Can somebody just say it was Sister Burgundy Karina, okay? So I can come back and do a review just on the color, not the wig, the color. But other than that, she is a glorious, beautiful wig. So this comes to the end of my wig review. You tell me what you think. That's all I can say about her. So yes, I will have more content coming for you guys. I'm stalling because somebody looking at me. Sorry, y'all. Somebody looking at me. I'm looking crazy. Well, okay. Anyway, I will have more content for you because Mother Nature has come knocking at my door. And I wish I can curve her like I curved a mailman when he trying to hand me my bills before my packages. I know that sounds crazy, but that's how I feel. I wish I can just curve her, but I can't. So she's not going to stop me from doing what I need to do, which is create content for you. Okay, so another thing I wanted to let you guys know that I am setting up a GoFund. Well, I do have one set up for, you know, the kids near my church, and it's to raise money for kids who don't financially have it to have a good Christmas this year. I want to be able to bless mothers this year to bless their children with toys and coats and socks. So I set up a GoFundMe, and the goal is $1,000. Anything you can donate is it's a blessing. is greatly appreciated too. I want to do this because this is one of my gifts that I want to give to myself, to be a blessing to someone else. And if you can be a blessing to that person and help me out with raising this money so that we can stock up the church, so that they can kind of come by and, you know, get out the little toys that they want and take home and surprise the babies, that'll be great. If you guys love me, then support. You know, that's what I'm all about. I'm all about support. So when it comes to my channel, don't think that you're gonna get something fake, because you ain't never getting that. So I want to be able to just grow this channel and just grow within. That's my goal. That is my goal for especially into the new year. So yeah, y'all help me reach these goals. I want to be able to hit 100,000 subscribers, you know, in the middle or the beginning of next year. So if y'all can help a sister dream come true, it's more than appreciated. So I love you guys. It's been fun. It's been real. And I shall see you guys in the next in the next video. Bye.